steel corrosion. Nature takes it back. Hey scholars, Nash here. Welcome to Construction Guruji. Do you know the good quality steel takes all your tension, whether it's your mental tension or tension in your concrete? Do you know what is 500 and 500D steel? And do you know what is 550D steel and 550? Which steel is suitable for your dream house construction? Most of the people doesn't know how to find a good quality steel for their dream house construction. Do you know how to find manipulations in steel purchase and during the delivery? Today, in today's video, Construction Guruji is going to cover all the available steels and their merits and demerits and precautions to be taken while purchasing the steel. In the final of the video, the Construction Guruji will advise you the best quality steel which will improve your structural durability and which will reduce your cost of construction.
Steel, one of the important material in building construction. As everyone knows, the concrete is very strong in compression but very weak in tension. The steel will improve the tensile strength of concrete. In India, various types of steel reinforcements are available, in which the mostly used and available in the market are: first one, mild steel; second one, deformed steel bars; third, carbon steel rebars; fourth, epoxy coated rebars; fifth, galvanized rebars; sixth, glass fiber reinforced polymer rebar; and seventh, stainless steel rebar. In this video, we are going to cover only deformed steel bars, as there are the bars which will mostly used in any construction. As per IS 1786-2008, high strength deformed steel bars and wires for concrete reinforcement standard, the following are the types of steel bars which will be available in the market: FE 415, FE 415D, FE 500, FE 500D, FE 550, FE 550D, and FE 600. The term Fe denotes iron, it's nothing but ferrous material. The number 415 and 500, 550 and 600 stands for the minimum yield stress in Newton per mm square, and D denotes that such bars are having higher value of ductility. In this video, the Fe 415S, 500S and 550S are not going to cover, as these bars will not be available in the market. The nominal cross section and mass as per IS 1786, the following are the bars which will having the standard cross sectional area available in the market are 4 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm, 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm, 16 mm, 20 mm, 25 mm, 28 mm, 32 mm, 36 mm, 40 mm, 45 mm and 50 mm with standard length of 12 meters. The nominal cross section and mass should be as per IS 1786. If you take 20 mm bar, the weight of the bar should be 2.47 kg per meter. Now we'll see the different type of steel bars which will be available in the market. When you purchase the steel bar should be free from corrosion particles, and the Indian standard ISA mark should be visible perfectly. The ribs of the bar should be perfectly sharper, and the diameter of the bar and the type of the steel bar should be visible perfectly. Now we will discuss about the deformed steel bars and its manufacturing process in India. These deformed steel bars are manufactured in two types. One is TMT technology and second one is TMX technology. Now we will discuss about the TMT and TMX technology in detail. The TMX steel bars, also abbreviated as Thermex steel bars, and these steel bars are called new generation steel bars, and these bars are manufactured using German Thermex technology. The second technology is the TMT technology. The TMT is nothing but thermomechanical treatment. The bars are manufactured using Tampa Core technology. The main difference between TMX and TMT is the manufacturing process. As said earlier, the TMX rods are manufactured using Thermex technology and the TMT rods are manufactured using Tampa Core technology. Now we will analyze each manufacturing technology with its merits and demerits. As we discussed in earlier, the TMT and TMX are the different type of manufacturing process, but the TMX is one of the best type of manufacturing process in manufacturing of steel. The TMX rods will have more heat and fire resistance ability, and the TMX rods will have low carbon comparing with TMT rods and higher elongation, and also the TMX rods will have higher ductility, weldability and bendability properties. TMX rods will have good ribs which will improve the bonding between steel and concrete. Now we'll discuss about the TMT bars. The TMT bars are widely manufactured and used in India from many years. As we discussed earlier, the TMT bars manufactured with Tampa Core technology that provides the bar with strong outcore and Mayer Crest steel with a soft inner core which makes the bar stronger and ductile. And one more advantage of TMT bars is the TMT bars will have an excellent gripping ribs which will improve the bonding between steel and concrete. The TMT bars widely available in Indian markets. Now we are going to discuss about deformed steel bars, its chemical properties and mechanical properties. In this video we are going to discuss only about Fe500 to Fe600, as Fe500, Fe500D and Fe550 and Fe550D and Fe600 are the rods which will be widely available in the market and mostly used in major constructions. In chemical properties, the carbon, sulfur, phosphorus and sulfur and phosphorus are the major chemical parameters which plays an important role in the quality of good steel. If the carbon percentage increases above the specified limits, the hardness and brittleness of the rod will increases and chances of corrosion will be. If the sulfur percent increases, it will improve the brittleness and reduce the weldability of the rod. If the phosphorus percentage increases, then the ductility and toughness of steel will decrease. And if sulfur and phosphorus percentage increases above specified limits, it will increase the tendency to crack. In the above table you can see the Fe500D bar is having an excellent parameters of chemical. Now we'll discuss about the mechanical properties of the steel bar. The mechanical properties of the steel bar are very important and which will play a vital role in the quality of the steel. The following are the mechanical properties. First, yield stress, ultimate tensile strength, elongation, total elongation at maximum force, and ratio of ultimate tensile strength and to yield stress. Now we can see the Fe500D is having an excellent parameters of mechanical properties. In this you can observe the elongation of Fe500D bar is higher comparing with any other bar. Now we will discuss the physical tests conducts on the steel reinforcement. The first one is tensile test of the steel, second one is compression test, third bending test, fourth Brinell hardness test, fifth Rockwell hardness test, sixth impact test, seventh torsion test and eighth shear test. These tests will be conducted to find out the quality of the steel bar. Now we'll discuss about the properties of good steel. The steel should have higher strength and higher elongation, which makes it safe for earthquake prone zones. The high bend and rebend properties of steel are very important in the quality of the steel, and the steel should be free from corrosion, and it should be resistant in high temperature, and good grips will provide great bonding between steel and concrete, and steel should have good weldability properties. During the purchase of steel, we should keep in mind that the steel should have lower amount of sulfur, which will make the structure more fire resistant. While deciding the brand of steel, the brand should be from the reputed manufacturer. Each rod should be marked with ISI mark, and the good quality steel bars should be sound and free from surface flaws and cracks. They should not have raw, jagged and imperfect edges. Remember that the proper storage of steel bars on site is very necessary. They must be kept under shade in dry condition to prevent rusting. And remember, the steel should not be exposed outside more than 1 month. The following are the recommendations from Construction Guruji. First, you can use Thermex TMX bars of FE500D. If Thermex TMX bars are not available in the market, you can go for TMT bars of FE500D. These FE500D steel will have a good quality like mechanical properties and chemical properties are excellent comparing with any other product. These bars are very much useful for the structures which are in seismic zones or earthquake zones. You can purchase the steel from any reputed manufacturer which contains ISI mark, and you can please check the manufacturer's certificate before purchasing the steel. To safeguard from the manipulations in steel weight, it is better to purchase the steel rods in number wise. Finally, it is concluded that FE500D bars will be more economical and durable choice for your dream home construction.
Hope you have a great learning in today's video, and we'll be back with another video in Construction Guruji. And please subscribe and like, share and comment. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Construction Guruji will clear all your doubts. And as always, thanks for watching.